Hi, welcome to the 3D Pen Den. Last week I posted a video on how to make easy and quick round sphere beads, and I got a request to see the winding process in real time. So here are 3 minutes of real-time wind, and watching it in real time will give us a chance to discuss a few extra tips on how the wind fill works. So here we go. Grab your shape with long tweezers, attach the plastic strand to your skeleton shape, and start winding in different directions as if you were winding a ball of string. Wind fill is one of the fastest shape covering techniques you can do with your 3D pen. I love beads made this way because they look like little cute balls of yarn. The only catch with this technique is that they really are a little ball of plastic yarn. The strands do not really fuse to each other with this winding technique. So make sure you secure both ends to the surface securely so your ball of yarn doesn't start unraveling. If you accidentally tear your strand, put a little drop of hot plastic over the end and then wind some more strands over it. One other tip I wanted to mention. You will find that there will be quite a gap in the wind where you held onto the shape with the tweezers, which may not show in this video, but there is quite a hole in there. So make sure you stop halfway through the fill, let go of the tweezers, and skewer the shape in a different place onto something skinny like a knitting needle or a bamboo skewer or a piece of wire, and wind the gaps shut. If it starts spinning on your needle, use two needles close to each other to prevent the spin, because you can't really wind it if the shape is spinning on you. So here you go. And of course you can fill any shape with wind fill, not just balls. And you can alternate your colors, so the results can be quite fun. Hope this helped. And as usual, subscribe to stay tuned for more.